Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajma'een. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqadadan bilisani yafqahu qawli wa ba'du. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson 3.3. We will be continuing with the rules of non-vowled noon and tanween, ahkam an-noon as-sakinah wa tanween. In this lesson, inshallah, we will look at the fourth and final rule, Ikhfaa Haqiqi. Bismillah. Ikhfaa Haqiqi means concealing, hiding the noon, Saakinah and Tanween. So firstly, linguistically in the Arabic language, Ikhfaa means to conceal or hide something. In the Science of Tajweed, it is the pronunciation of a non-voweled letter which is in a state somewhere between idhar and idgham, with a ghunnah remaining on the first letter. In this case, it's the noon sakin or the tanween. Letter causing the ikhfa haqiqi are the remaining letters. So apart from the three rules we have already looked at, idhar, halqi, idgham and iqlab. So the letters, apart from the letters that are already in those rules, under those rules, we are left with these 15 letters: ta, fa, jim, dal, dhal, zay, sin, sheen, sad, dad, ta, va, fa, qaf, kaf. What does this mean? Okay, well, what this actually means is if one of the above 15 letters follows a noon sakin or a tanween, and it could happen in one word or between two words, the noon sound is hidden. What's the method of pronunciation? So how to do this? To conceal the noon, we don't let our tongue touch the articulation point of noon. Okay, so this is how we hide the noon. We won't let our tongue, because the articulation point of noon is the tip of the tongue. So we are hiding that. So we will leave the tongue down and not let the noon, the tongue, touch the articulation point of the noon, letter noon. I.e., the tip of the tongue should not touch the upper part of the mouth during the ghunnah. It should stay down and the sound should come through the nose, like I just said. The tongue moves close to the articulation point of the next letter, which is the letter causing the ikhfa. So you will get ready with your tongue to say, while you will be leaving your tongue down, you will be saying with the ghunnah, you will be expressing the ghunnah, but you will be moving your tongue close to the articulation point of the next letter. If the noon sakin, tanween, is followed by a letter of tafkhim, then the ghunnah for ikhfa will also be read with tafkhim, so with a heaviness, with a full mouth. Likewise, if followed by a letter of tarqiq, then the ghunnah will also be read with tarqiq. I have already discussed the meanings of tafkhim and tarqiq. If you still don't understand, then please do refer to my previous videos, inshallah, where we looked at the heavy and the light letters. A small sound from the mouth accompanies the ghunnah due to the noon not touching its articulation point. So, okay, all of this, inshallah, let's put it into practice and practice applying this rule. And it's always easier to understand the rules when we actually apply them in the Qur'an and while we are reciting. So in this first example, we have the noon sakin followed by sin. خلق الإنسان. So I will say this إنسان. So getting ready to say the sin. خلق الإنسان. And doing a ghunnah. The next example, a surah we always read, hopefully inshallah, after every salah or for protection, Surah Al-Falaq. We make sure when the noon here is followed by sheen, we will say مِن شَرِّ مَا خَلَقَ. مِن شَرِّ مَا خَلَقَ. Okay, we hide the noon, get ready to say the sheen, and we prolong it with a gunna. And the next example, now we have a tanween fatha followed by the dhal, ikhfa letter. سيصلى نارا ذات لهب. سيصلى نارا ذات لهب. Noon sakin followed by ta. وأنت حل. وأنت حل. In the next example, we have a heavy letter of tafkhim, sad. So now my ikhfa will be slightly, will be pronounced in a heavy way, inshallah. So I will say عن صلاتهم. عن صلاتهم. Here again, noon sakin followed by qaf, which is ikhfa letter and also a heavy letter. الذي أنقض. الذي أنقض. And again here, this is a dhamma tanween followed by qaf, which is also a heavy letter. فيها كتب قيمة. فيها كتب قيمة. So I'd like you to listen to the recitation of Surah Al-Falaq. I've underlined the rule of Ikhfaa Haqiqi for you. And inshallah, I hope you could listen and hopefully implement and read the rules of Ikhfaa Haqiqi next time you read this surah, inshallah. Because the whole idea of these lessons is for you to learn and apply the rules of Tajweed, inshallah, as we are learning, inshallah. Because when you learn, then it becomes fard on you to apply everything you learn. So let's, inshallah, start practicing and reading with Tajweed, inshallah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
I will meet you next time with the rules of Mim as-Sakinah, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.